Assalamualaikum. Stand up first. Part 2. Poem Days of the Week. Monday, Tuesday, we take a bath every day. We take a bath every day. Wednesday, Thursday, we eat every day. We eat every day. Friday, Saturday, we study every day. We study every day. Sunday, we play every day. We play every day. We play every day. Thank you.